Bonjour, fellow travelers. Ready to explore the City of Lights? Here's your ultimate 3-day itinerary for Paris. We're going to pack in the iconic sights and the charming hidden corners that give Paris its magic. From the top of the Eiffel Tower to a leisurely cruise on the Seine, get ready for an unforgettable adventure. I'm Misty, and I'm so excited to be your guide on this journey through the heart of France. We're kicking off our Paris adventure with the city's majestic Madame, the Eiffel Tower. This iconic structure needs to be seen to be believed. Take the elevator to soak in those incredible views. The city of Paris sprawls out beneath you like a living map. Spot all the famous landmarks, snap some photos, and breathe it all in. Enjoy a croissant and café au lait at the Eiffel Tower's cafe. No trip to Paris is complete without a visit to the Louvre Museum. This former royal palace houses some of the world's most famous works of art. Say bonjour to the Mona Lisa, but don't stop there. The Louvre is home to masterpieces from around the world. Focus on one or two wings that interest you and get happily lost in the art. When tired, find a sunny spot in the courtyard and relax. Soak up the ambiance of this historic site. Day 2 begins on Ile de la Cité, home to the Notre Dame Cathedral. This masterpiece of Gothic architecture will take your breath away. Even after the fire, its spirit and resilience shine through. Take your time to wander inside and admire the stained glass windows, the soaring ceilings, and the intricate details that make Notre Dame so special. If you're up for a climb, head up to the towers for a gargoyle's eye view of the city. You'll see why Victor Hugo chose this iconic cathedral as the setting for his novel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Afterward, take a stroll along the banks of the Seine. Grab a baguette, some cheese, and a bottle of wine, and enjoy a simple, classic Parisian picnic. This afternoon, we're stepping into a different side of Paris, the charming neighborhood of Montmartre. This hilltop village, once a haven for artists, is full of cobblestone streets, quaint cafes, and that irresistible Parisian charm. Wander through the Place du Tertre, where artists still set up their easels to paint portraits and sell their work. You might even want to get your own portrait done, a unique souvenir to remember your trip. And no visit to Montmartre is complete without a visit to the dazzling White Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Climb to the top of the dome for a panoramic view of the city. On our last evening in Paris, we're going to experience the City of Lights the way it was meant to be seen, from the Seine River. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to twinkle, hop aboard a river cruise and get ready to be enchanted. Glide past illuminated landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and Notre Dame. The reflections shimmering on the water create a truly magical ambiance. Many cruises offer dinner or drinks, so you can savor delicious French cuisine as you soak up the beauty of Paris. It's the perfect way to say au revoir to this captivating city. That's it for our 3-day Paris itinerary. I hope this taste of the City of Lights has inspired you to book your own Parisian adventure. Remember, Paris is best experienced by getting lost in its charming streets, savoring its delicious food, and embracing its romantic atmosphere. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Paris adventures in the comments below. Thank you. Au revoir.